Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 8. First, let's get acquainted with its stunning display. The Fenix 8 features a bright AMOLED screen, providing excellent visibility. You can easily navigate through menus using the intuitive 5-button controls or the responsive touchscreen. Personalize your watch face and data fields to display the information most important to you, making your Fenix 8 truly yours. Your Fenix 8 is an incredible companion for any adventure. It boasts over 30 preloaded sports apps, from running to diving, ensuring comprehensive tracking. Benefit from multi-band GPS, which provides exceptional location accuracy even in dense areas. Plus, gain deeper insights into your performance with advanced metrics like running economy and your unique hill score, helping you optimize your training. Beyond sports, the Fenix 8 prioritizes your well-being and safety. It continuously monitors vital health metrics like your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and sleep quality. Start your day informed with a personalized morning report, summarizing your sleep and training outlook. For outdoor safety, InReach technology offers two-way satellite messaging and SOS functions, providing peace of mind on remote expeditions. The Fenix 8 delivers impressive power and smart connectivity. Experience extended battery life, providing weeks of usage in smartwatch mode so you can focus on your activities. With its integrated speaker and microphone, you can conveniently make and receive calls right from your wrist. Stay connected on the go with smart notifications and enjoy the ease of contactless payments using Garmin Pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.